Hey there, what's going on? This is Rob from panter.vis. I want to show you how to create this interesting effects in Adobe Illustrator. This is the Mobius Circle or the Mobius Eye. This one is the Mobius Eye, and this is the Mobius Circle. In other words, it's like the impossible circle. I saw this effect more often and often, on the internet. Like a lot of designers are already using this, creating interesting stuff out of this. So I'm going to show you how to achieve this effect. But before we do that, if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. All right, I'm gonna delete these, and first we're gonna start with stroke. Make sure you're on the stroke. Right now I'm on the fill, so I'm gonna swap it to stroke. Click on that, and if you have something on the fill on this thing, just click on the none right here and click on the stroke. So basically the stroke is gonna be on the top and the fill is gonna be on the bottom. Let's select the ellipse tool. The rectangle tool usually is on the top, so this is how you're going to see the symbol. Long click, select the ellipse tool. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, make a circle. From here, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, or go to edit and paste in front. Basically, this is going to paste in front another copy. From here, press Shift plus Alt again, scale it down, somewhere around this proportion. Okay. Let's press again Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Let's create another copy. Press and hold Shift only and increase the size until they snap here at the path. Make sure they snap. Press Ctrl Y so you can see perfectly the lines if they snap. Do it again with this. Ctrl C, Ctrl F, press and hold Shift, and make sure they snap at this anchor point. Also Ctrl Y to check it. Everything is good. And this is, as you can see, the eye is right located inside. I'm gonna create two copies. I'm gonna make one with the Mobius eye and the other with the Mobius circle. This is going to be the eye. I'm going to remove the circle. And from here, I'm going to select this, of course. Press Shift plus M. Or you can go and long press here, select the shape builder tool. Basically, this is going to, as you can see, we didn't snap it correctly. I need to check here what is going on. But first I'm going to do it on this one because we're going to have problems with this also. So basically they didn't snap perfectly how I see that. This is good. I need to check this one. So basically both are good, but I still don't understand why they didn't snap perfectly. I'm going to try to, pull it beyond a little bit, and here also. So let me just, I can just press and hold Shift and just go beyond, Control Y again, Shift plus M, and yeah, this way is good. So the main idea is to mold these together. But I'm gonna create a new copy again, and I'm gonna remove this circle here and create the eye. Shift plus M, connect these and these here. And as you can see, we still got something going on. I'm gonna delete that here and this one also. All right. Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna select this form and this. And there's like some eyes going on inside, which I need to delete those. So this is the Mobius eye. I'm gonna group them, put it here. And with this, I'm gonna press Shift plus M. Let's see what we can do. And I'm gonna start from here. And I'm going to connect it like this. Do the same thing with the bottom. And this is the Mobius circle, more an abstract circle. I'm going to select this and this shape, move it here. As you can see, we're left with these unnecessary shapes. Right click, group. Right now we got the silhouettes. Okay, so we're going to dress these with effects. From here, we're going to create lines. Make sure you're on the fill in this case. So make sure you click on these lines to swap it from stroke to fill. So this line is going to be the stick. Okay, make sure you make a thicker line and a thinner line. I'm gonna create a new copy. So around this zone, I'm gonna make it thin by long pressing the Alt and just pulling it like that. Select both, go to Objects and go to Blend. Click on Make, and now as you can see, it created a lot of lines or less lines, but afterwards you really need to adjust this to make less lines or more lines. So double click on the Blend tool, it's located right here. Select Specified Steps. In my case, I'm gonna decrease the copies of this, lines basically. Just to have some distance going on between these areas, okay? I'm gonna click OK, 43 is good for me. All right, we got the lines. Go to Object, Expand. Click OK. And now we expanded this. Now select it and go to the brush. This is the brushes. If you don't have the brushes, go to Windows and select. Where's the brushes? There you go. It's located right here. And just drag this here to the brushes. As you can see, I got a lot of stuff going on already. Tested this out. And select the pattern brush and click OK. Click OK. And now you have the brush. Okay, we're gonna put this brush on a circle. So select the ellipse tool again. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a circle, swap it to stroke. And let's add the brush. It's right here. So this is how it looks like right now. As you can see, it's like 2 times in here. If I scale this down, it's gonna simplify to 1. So it goes like 1 times. If I want to scale it up, it's gonna copy itself. If I scale more, you can see like it's like already 3 times. So we want it like, we can check it like both. Actually, I'm gonna go with this because I'm going to delete this side. So it's like 4 anchor points, 1 here, and anyways, I won't explain that much. Go to Direct Selection tool, select this one, and just select this area. So it's gonna delete what's in between these 2 anchor points. Click on Delete. Now it's like more dense a little bit. And now I'm gonna select a copy of this one, of the Mobius eye. I'm gonna select a copy of this. And the main idea is actually I need to make this area more thicker. So I'm gonna go right click, transform, reflect, make sure it's on vertical, click OK. So the main idea is to come from this area to be thick and to go in this area to be thin. So I'm gonna rotate it until it goes here because I'm gonna cut it out from this space. From this zone. And I don't need, I'm gonna right click on group and I don't need this one. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna expand this one, go to Object, Expand Appearance, select both, press Shift plus M, or go to the Shape Builder tool and press and hold Alt. And you just need to delete these exterior lines. There you go. So now we remove these lines. I'm gonna press Delete. Okay, press and hold Alt, drag it up, press Shift, press and hold Shift, rotate it. And we're gonna put this right inside somewhere until they match. Something like this. Let me check out if I pull it more out, a little bit more up. There you go. And this is the Mobius eye. This is how something like the Mobius eye, some of them are like also in perspective, more with an interesting effect. And yeah, there's like multiple options going on. So I'm gonna try it out with this Mobius circle now, or the impossible circle. As you can see here, in this case, the circle needs to go all around here. So basically I just cut it off. So I need to remake this again. I'm gonna make a new circle. I'm gonna create it right inside here, somewhere around this area. Of course, I'm gonna put it with this, you know, put it in the center. Click on horizontal align and on vertical align. So right now it's on the center. Press and hold Alt plus Shift plus Alt, so it's exactly located in the center right now. And now I'm gonna select the brush that I made. I'm gonna click on it. There you go. All right, so again, we got 2 times. If you increase the stroke, as you can see, it's only 1 time already, but it's kind of big. Stroke is kind of big, and you know, you got like less lines going on in between, so I'm gonna decrease to 1.5. Let me check it out. 1.5 is not that bad, but I'm gonna decrease it to 2 eventually. All right, I'm gonna try it with this one. So the main idea is to position the stroke. How was it? I need to reflect it. Right click, transform, reflect. Click OK. I'm gonna work with the bottom one. I'm gonna position it right here, something like this. So this is starting from this, and it's going to end right here. Wow, that's a lot of stuff going on. So I'm gonna go to Object, Expand Appearance. Of course, select the circles, right click on Group, and I'm gonna delete this. Right. Okay. Select both, press Shift plus M, or go to the, what is that, Shape Builder tool, select it, and press and hold Alt until you delete everything. There you go. I'm gonna remove the strokes. Press and hold Alt, and then rotate it. Press and hold Shift, and then rotate. Sorry about speaking too fast. There you go. I think I really nailed it. Doesn't need to be perfect. And there you have it. This is the Mobius, what is that? Ring or circle, something like that. And this is how you achieve this effect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the other videos as well. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good one. Bye-bye.